Hi and welcome everyone. My name is Kartika Nair and you're watching Synchro Shakti. Now before I proceed with this video, as you can hear with all the sounds around me, there is construction happening. And so this video might get a lot more noisier than anticipated, but I hope you guys forgive me because I can't control the external circumstances. So today I want to discuss with you a very common law of attraction mistake that a lot of people are doing, and I'll give you a little context to this. So I get a lot of emails by people who say that they've been using the law of attraction to manifest jobs, careers, relationships, money, all kinds of things. But what's happening is that what they're manifesting is not actually what they asked for. It's something similar, but something is terribly wrong in what they wanted to manifest or what they ended up getting. I'll give you an example. So let's say you've always wanted to manifest a relationship and bam, the universe gives you this relationship. But then the person you're in a relationship with, something doesn't feel right. Something is not, the person's probably, belittling you or ignoring you or disrespecting you or not. It's not in that perfect alignment to what you asked for, right? Can you relate to this? A lot of people, what they think is that because they asked for it and this is what they got, that this is what they were meant to get, in the way that this is the one, this is the relationship that they were supposed to be in, just because they asked for it and then the universe brought this person. The same thing happens even, let's take the example of a job. Somebody wants a job, really wants a job. They get a job, but then the job role causes them extreme stress. Half their money is going off in taxes. Things are not exactly in alignment to what they asked for. But then they hold on to that job because they feel like, I asked for it, the universe brought it, and now this is the job that I'm supposed to be doing for the rest of my life, because that's how it works, right? I asked and it was given, and so I have to settle for what was given. Now, let me tell you a little secret of how the universe works. So let's say you want to manifest this perfect relationship. You want a relationship where it's loving, there's amazing chemistry, both of you are in love, and the spiritual connection and everything is perfect. Let's say that's what you want. But then you end up with somebody who triggers you all the time, is causing so much of drama in the relationship. Let's say that's who you ended up with, okay? Now the reason why you ended up with that person is for a good reason, and that is that the universe knows that in order for you to attract that perfect guy or girl, you have to release some inner negativity that is in the way of that pure vibration that will pull that perfect relationship into your life. So how do you release that negativity? Is by seeing that all of life's experiences, manifestations, everything that happens to us is a mirror, and it's reflecting something that is inside of us. So if your relationship or your job or whatever you've been manifesting is causing tons of negativity to come up, that's a good sign. Why? Because it gives you the opportunity to release all that inner negativity, all that feelings of powerlessness, all the feelings of I have to settle, all of whatever negative feelings you have. It's giving you the opportunity to release that. How do you release it? Use mindfulness, use Ho'oponopono, EFT, whatever technique you use to release that inner energy. I know it's very hot here in India, so I'm kind of doing this just to get some wind. But when you release that, you come closer to the vibration of actually pulling the perfect person in or the perfect job in. You understand? So take everything as a win-win situation. Don't settle for your immediate manifestation. If it doesn't feel in alignment with what you asked, it's because it's trying to get you to release whatever negativity is in the way of you actually attracting the perfect relationship and the perfect job role. Maybe jobs are not for you. Maybe you need to start a business. You have to be open to all possibilities. So if you're standing on the first floor balcony, your view is going to be very different from somebody standing up on the 50th floor, right? So you need to rise above your negativity to see what's truly possible for you to manifest. What kind of person you can manifest, what kind of job you can manifest. This possibility is infinite. Just get over your own insignificance and you will see that you can attract some incredible things. So do not settle for the first manifestations that show up in your reality. Right? That was my message to you. Take everything as a mirror that is showing you what you need to release to rise above and find better possibilities and better manifestations. I hope that made sense. If it did, just let me know in the comments that it made sense. Today is more of a less of a technique, more of a ramble. So if it made sense, go ahead and tell me in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for keeping up with all this noise. And I'll see you again soon. I love you all. Namaste.